The problem with control, which is used by governments, which is used by agencies, entities around the world, is that it absolves people of responsibility. It absolves people of agency. So the more and more we rely on these external entities to control our lives, the more and more we feel a sense of depression and anxiety in our lives. Such as in a relationship, if someone is controlling, of course we feel off in that relationship. We feel like we need a sense of our agency. We lose balance in that relationship. So the bigger and bigger that governments get, bigger and bigger all these entities that display some sort of control in our life get, the more we lose our sense of power and freedom, and it leads to mental health issues. It leads to the big problems that we're seeing now within our society. So what really needs to happen is the pendulum needs to swing back towards freedom. Freedom is scary. Freedom is also each person having agency in their life to take care of themselves and not rely on an external entity to control everything. Yes, it helps you feel safe. Control is about safety. But then again, too much of that, it just goes overboard. Like I'm saying, it becomes a problem in our society because now everyone's just an automaton going along with what the external entities say. The opposite of conformity in our society is not cowardice. It's the opposite. I'm sorry, I said that all wrong. The opposite of courage in our society is not cowardice. It's conformity. See, I sort of put the Freudian slip out there. So the more and more we have control, the more and more we have to conform, but we feel not ourselves. We feel like some other robot or entity or automaton in our society. So we really have to understand we need to push towards more freedom, not control, just like we're being controlled, but we need to understand, we need to let ourselves, all of us collectively, even the ones in government, understand this is hurting us in the long run, this control dynamic.